Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Mitsubishi Mirage automatic. First, familiarize yourself with the gear selector. P is for park, R for reverse, N for neutral, D for drive, and L for low gear. Before starting, adjust your seat, mirrors, and steering wheel to ensure a comfortable and safe driving position. Always remember to fasten your seatbelt and confirm that all your passengers are also securely buckled in. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe journey. To begin driving, ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal before turning the ignition key or pressing the start button. Once the engine is running, shift the gear selector from park to drive. With the car in drive, slowly release the brake pedal. The car will begin to creep forward. Then, gently press the accelerator pedal to increase your speed. Remember to always maintain a safe distance from other vehicles. When you need to stop, gradually apply pressure to the brake pedal. For a complete stop, press the brake more firmly until the vehicle is stationary. Once you have reached your destination and are ready to park, shift the gear selector into park. For extra security, especially when parked on a hill, always engage the parking brake. This simple step helps prevent accidental rolling and keeps your vehicle secure. For specific driving situations, like descending a steep hill, consider using the low gear setting. This helps the engine provide more braking power, reducing wear on your brakes. Practicing smooth acceleration and gentle braking will not only make your ride more comfortable, but also significantly improve your fuel efficiency. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Regular maintenance, like oil changes and tire rotations, is also key to keeping your Mirage running optimally for many years.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.